Hey guys, Mr.III here, and today I have Auxito's 9003 headlights. So this is their B7 model, and we're going to be putting them on the CR-V. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget that like and subscribe. So I bought these LEDs on Amazon Prime Day for about 35 bucks, I think, but that's what they're running for right now. And I currently have my autofill LED headlights, and these are the original LED headlights that I actually started this YouTube channel with. So they've been the troopers and so far the best for this car. So I want to see if I actually can find something that's a little better. And I know I was surprised with the other Auxitos I put on my mother's vehicle, which is also a CR-V, and they worked out really well. So I had to try a different style. So I purchased this with my own money, so if you guys are asking, but they actually did reach out for my other videos, so here we go. And the neat thing that I do like about these are their 8 CSP chips for both the high and the low for the individual bulb. So I'll go show you guys a video of the close-up and put also the specs on the screen so you guys can actually see what these lights have, and you know, skip all the boring stuff and get to the installing. So here we go. Opening the box, we get a product manual, our two lovely LED headlights, and as you can see, it's a simple design. On the back, we do not have a fan, so it's just the heat sink, so you don't have to worry about the fan noise or any interference with your radio. It's the easy plug and play. Got the 3 prongs here since it's a 9003 model, meaning that when I bring this up closer, you can see that it has both the low, the front spot, and then the high. So these Auxito lights are equipped with the CSP Y19 LED chips. And the one thing that attracted me to them was that it has the 4 chips instead of just 3. Because most of the LED headlights you see have 3 and 3. And this one has 4 and 4. So all together, for just one bulb, you're going to have 8 for the low beam and then 8 for the high beam. So a total of 16 chips for one headlight. So together you have 32 chips with both these together. But then you got to remember, only 8 and 8, so 16 and 16 will be on at the same time. So when you switch to your high beams, you gotta remember the low beams do shut off, so it's never running at the same time. It's a shame that they both do not stay on with the high beams, but I don't know what is the reason for that, but it looks like no one actually came up with that idea yet. So hey, if you actually made a product like that, hit me up. Also, if you're new to this style, you gotta remember this part is removable, so you gotta twist it, here click, and it slides off. That's how you install it to the car, and then you put the spring on the back. And then it's just an easy slide over and twist. And then you can adjust your beam pattern by twisting the back part. So it's just that simple. So let's get to the car and install them there. Alright, so looking at a comparison, you can see this is what I had, 3 and 3. And then the new ones have the 4 and 4. Tough to get the thing to zoom in there. But yeah, they're a little difference in size, but I have a gut feeling that the Auxito ones are going to be much brighter since there's more space being covered, so hope that theory works out. But let's go install it. Also, one more thing I wanted to point out. As you can see, that it has a thin nose up in the front there compared to this rounded part, so that means that more light will be coming through instead of reflecting back. So we'll see if that does not actually make a better or worse beam pattern for the long run. So hopefully better, but we'll find out. Alright, so it's going to install the bulb. You got to first remember to take off the little ring there, and then you'll have 1 on the top and 2 on the bottom, so that's the orientation. Move over our little spring latch, or whatever you want to call it again. Then move this over, and then getting that latch to hold on sometimes could be a little difficult, but there we go. And then orientation, you want actually the little flap on the bottom be pointing upward. So when you install it, you want to make sure when you turn it locks it's going up, so when the light reflects, it's going to bounce up from the top and then project downward so you do not blind your drivers. So, whoops, almost forgot to put on our dust cap. Let's put that on. That protects the housing from getting any moisture, and you do not want bugs to go inside there. Alright, so let's see, get that there. Let's see. There we go. And locked in. Perfect. Plug it in. Excellent. And now repeat on the other side. So this is the passenger side. I decided to record over here because there's actually more room and you do not have to worry about removing the fuse box like I did over there to make space to put your hand. Alright, so that was the easy installation, and I have full confidence that you can also do the same yourself. You don't have to worry about hiring someone to quickly put these bulbs in, unless you do have a difficult, space, which then try to make your own, modifications like I did. I removed my fuse box and then I was able to put my hand and install those headlights, but everyone has a different car, and you'll probably need a different type of bulb too, depending on what you're driving, because some of your low and high beams have actually two separate bulbs, while this one is a 2-in-1 type of deal. So let's go show the side-by-side road test and see the brightness in real life. And also, if I get to editing here soon, I'll show you how these LED light strips look. These are the RGB type, and I've had them on my car for about 2 years, but I actually never edited the video, and they're actually pretty sick. Right now I have them on the blue mode, so I may give you guys a little spoiler of that at the end. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do that driving test.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony, until one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
Alright, back from my night ride. So, you guys just saw the footage side by side. Probably could tell me how it actually looks, because right now I have to post-edit and then see it myself. But from my own experience of driving, I have a gut feeling that these are not as bright as what I actually have on the vehicle right now, or previously. So those autofills. But the beam pattern looks pretty good. I like that. And if you're looking for decent headlights, these are pretty good, I gotta say. The thing is, I want something that's, super bright, but still I'm not gonna be, blinding someone else. But I like that nice lit road, and I feel these are, from my eyes, unless I got used to LEDs now, that it's a little dimmer in my, own opinion. So, like I said, I'm gonna go quickly show you guys what I was talking about with the LED eyebrows here. Turn off my light, let you guys enjoy, and thanks again for watching. So after this, you guys have a good one.